The third of Subaru's Wilderness trim levels is the Crosstrek Wilderness. It's new for 2024 along with the rest of the Crosstrek line. And like the other Wilderness trims, it's gotten quite a bit of extra cladding all around it. Along the bumpers, along the sides. It's got a completely new grille. It's got new bumpers that are raised up a little bit for improved approach angle and departure angle. And of course, it's less likely to show scrapes and scuffs. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels and Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires. It only comes with the 2.5-liter engine, which makes 182 horsepower. In addition to all of the styling changes, it's been raised by ½ an inch, which further improves approach, departure, and breakover angle. The CVT has been retuned. It's got a lower final drive ratio, and it's all been tuned up to handle loose surfaces and hills better. The transmission also features a cooler, and what that allows this to do is to tow up to 3,500 pounds, which is quite a lot for the Crosstrek. And as with other Wilderness trims, it's got an uprated roof rack, or roof rails, that can handle up to 700 pounds of static weight, so you can throw your rooftop tent out here. So one of the styling features of the Wilderness trims are these gold accents, and they feature on the bumpers as well, and they indicate where tow hook locations are for recovery. And of course on this one, it's got a huge Subaru logo stamped in the back of the bumper. So anyone behind you is going to know instantly what you're driving. Inside the Crosstrek Wilderness, you find this rugged fabric material, as well as the Subaru Wilderness logo embossed into the headrest. And you get other gold accents like you find on the outside, such as here on the steering wheel, and the stitching along the bolsters on the seats. And you can have a Crosstrek Wilderness of your own for a little over $33,000.